Welcome to the Sleep Guardian. Your restful night's sleep isn't far away. Why do we snore? Normally, when we breathe in, air flows through your mouth and nose and down your throat to your lungs. With each breath, air pressure and the throat muscles respond to keep the airway open. When the muscles relax too much, the tongue can fall back onto the soft palate, which will cause the airway to narrow. When the airway narrows, the air pressure is increased and in turn causes the tissue at the back of the throat to vibrate and cause the snoring sound we are all too familiar with. Habitual snorers can be at risk of serious health problems, including obstructive sleep apnea. So what is obstructive sleep apnea? And what is the difference between it and basic snoring? Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder where the tongue falls back onto your soft palate, pressing it onto your throat, causing the airway to become completely blocked. When this happens, the lack of air wakes you up, gasping for air, before falling back to sleep again. Apart from causing a restless sleep, obstructive sleep apnea can have serious health implications. So how do we stop the snoring? Mandibular Advancement Device, or MAD therapy, is globally recognized as one of the most successful treatments for snoring and mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. With a carefully constructed custom-fit device, the lower jaw is held in a forward position while you sleep, which stops the tongue from falling back on the soft palate and constricting the airway, giving you and your partner a more restful and deep sleep. This is the Sleep Guardian's mission.